Good morning, friends. Happy, for me, it's Thursday. I am so excited. I look so shiny. I've got probably a full bottle of sunscreen on my face, and that is because today is the Simply Home award ceremony, and we are about to set up. My car, if you can see, is completely full of stuff for the award ceremony. So let's go ahead and get this thing rocking and rolling. It's kind of crazy because last year's award ceremony was the first YouTube video ever made. It's just crazy to see how far we've come and just all the fun things we've gotten to do over the last year. I'm really looking forward to today. We put in a lot of work. It's going to be a lot bigger than last year. We're doing it in a really cool location. It is at a hangar. So it is at the Hollingshead Aviation. It's going to be inside of a hangar. There's going to be some planes. So it'll be cool. I couldn't tell you the models of the planes because, let's be honest, I am illiterate in that area. But I'm going to go check us in and get the code for the gate. And we're going to get this party started. What a pretty day. The calm before the storm. So I've got the selfie station, all the awards, drinks and stuff are starting to be brought in, cameraman on deck, portable, what is that called? Bathrooms, sorry, and then more drinks. We're just getting things rolling. Doing a little computer work, getting tickets sold. We're missing boot over here. All right, Grant. Tell us what you're thinking about today, how you think it's gonna go, what the plan is.
Preparing for the worst, expecting the best.
That's true. He's not used to being in front of the camera, but I love to force it. He is, okay, first of all, this is the key to the refrigerator. They put me in charge. But he is our videographer at Simply Home, and our photographer, and our, what all do you do? You're our media guy. He's our media man. So here's the refrigerator. Ah, look at all this. Scared to get trapped. All the drinks. And we're gonna have desserts. It's gonna be good. Very nice. Tables. Stage is coming along. All the chairs. Catering tables. The bar. All the phones. All right, it is humming along. Gotta go hunt down Grant. It's, oh, there he is. Putting the boss tour. Building. Look at it. Coming together. I am organizing awards. Pretty tedious, but we'll get through it. We're like an hour and a half, hour 45 out, so I need to hit fast forward on this so I can get ready and not look too scary. Oh well, is what it is. I'm a little sweaty right now. Alright, it's a little crazy out here. I need to put lipstick on. A little stressed. Still got several things to do, but it's okay. We're good. We'll figure it out. It's fine. Right. Last minute touches. Alright guys, it's go time. For the most part, our tender just got here a little late, so the party bus. I love it. That is hilarious. Look at them getting out. Camera guy.
This will be, hey.
Hey. What's up, Mom?
the inspiration.
We're going through awards right now and I'm sweating. But so far, so good. Waiting in line for the bathrooms. All right, guys, we did it. I mean, there's still an hour left, but we made it through awards. Grant, oh, where's Grant? Where's Grant? There he is. Surviving and thriving, barely. Look at how cute it is. All right, so how do you think it went, Miller?
It went really well. It was
I'm
really
sweating.
well done. Sarah did a great job. This was
Yeah,
boss
me-
lady.
Hype me up. I'm losing my voice. Stupid cheesecakes. Thanks, Grant. The stupid cheesecakes. So we are cleaning up. We have broken everything down, and now we're getting all of the drinks out of the refrigerator. And there's my dad helping out. Hey, Dad.
Hey, everybody.
We still have about 30 cases of drinks. And this is why I close. There you go. Still have that left, and all that. And I got the boys working. All right, guys, we did it. Leslie, how are you feeling?
My feet hurt.
3-foot content. Woo! Joey, thank you for your help. Grant's like, please let me. I know I told Grant I wouldn't need much help today, and I have put him to work. I put all the boys to work, put Leslie to work. Yeah, let's do that. Look at all that cleaned up. All right, friends, that's a wrap. Now you can turn the light off.